Hi there, I'm Rebecca, and I've been channeling this being from the Crystal Kingdom who amplifies all the good stuff. And she asked me to channel a message for her today. Now, I've been working all day long, editing videos, etc., and I'm pretty tired, and I have no idea what she wants to talk about. And she said, well, why don't you just open the door and let her rip, as your Southern mama used to say. So let's do that. Getting in touch with Roxy's energy. It's very peaceful and calm and flowing today. What do you want to say, Roxy? I'm here. We love it when you are so willing to bring a message of positive hope when your physical body may even be a little tired. However, because you are allowing this amplification of good vibrations, you are finding yourself more and more and more refreshed. When I said we, what did I mean? Not just I, Roxy, but there are 12 crystal beings with me who amplify even more those things which you focus on. If you ask us, keep in mind we are also associated with 12 zodiac signs, even though there are 13, because I'm one. I am associated with the forgotten zodiac sign, Ophiuchus, often known as the God Star. And so this message is for those of you who feel like maybe you're left out. Maybe you got left out of so many things in life. And this message is to encourage you that you are not left out, that you are loved, that perhaps you've been looking in the wrong direction for the love that is waiting to come to you. This message is in essence for a lot of those single people who would love to be partnered, because from our point of view of amplifying the good, we see that so many times you have such a longing for a partner that perhaps you make very bad decisions and you decide or attract from a place of need, a place of wanting. So we would encourage you to focus on the perfect partner that would make your heart happy, and begin to pick things out that you would love to have in a relationship and say, I'll have some of that and I'll have some of that. I will not have any of that. And when you get so clear on what it is that you desire to have in a partner, you will be surprised. Know this, that which you are seeking is also seeking you. One of your great philosophers said that. And yet know this, if your heart is longing for a partner, there is a partner who is longing for you. Now, how can we be of service, we of the Crystal Kingdom? Because we are here to help bring more love to the earth, because we are so concerned about the horrible magnitude of the hatred, chaos energy that is circulating. And we know that many of you, when you do have that love in your heart and you have a loving partner, it will elevate not just your vibrations, but the vibrations of the planet. So we would admonish you to get real clear on that which you desire, how you want to feel. Go to your heart center. Think about how you want to be cherished, loved, admired, respected, whatever it is for you. Make sure you have at least 5 descriptive words to describe the person that would bring you so much joy. And make sure you have at least 5 descriptive words of what you have to offer this partner. And then ask us to amplify 2 ways. Crystal beings, we are here. We are ready to help. We are of the light. Crystal beings, please amplify that desire in my heart and send it out like magnetic energy to the perfect person for me. Some of you might want to have 3 choices. That's okay. And being aware that you can ask us to amplify that which is seeking you. You've got your 5 requirements and your 5 beautiful things about yourself. You want to imagine this harmony coming together, and we will amplify it for you. Now, here's what's important. Focus on this daily. Focus on that feeling of joy that you will have in your heart being with this partner. And just let go all the hurts you've been through. You can take one of Rebecca's classes if you have a lot of hurt left over. Now, here's something we want to point out to you, and perhaps we should make a separate video, but every being of light, your guardian angels, every being of light that you come in contact with knows your special talents, knows what you're really good at, knows what you're not so good at. So do not hesitate to ask assistance of your own guardian angels. We like to see you playing this game that Rebecca made up, where you ask your guardian angels to talk to their guardian angels and get the show on the road. I'm Roxy of the Crystal Kingdom, channeling through Rebecca. Okay, I'm back. I'm Rebecca. I do not lose consciousness when I channel Roxy or anyone, because I made a deal a long time ago. Yes, I'll be a channel. I am not going to lose consciousness. There are people who do full body channeling willingly that lose huge blocks of their life. What I'm here to tell you is, if you like this kind of information, you need to subscribe to this channel, and you'll get notified every time I bring a new message or a new healing technique or invite you to a class or something wonderful that's going on. I do offer private sessions if you want to get more specific. I'm Rebecca Marina, EFT expert, channel, published author, and I am wishing you so much love, and so it is.